Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to tell you about the student visa process for New Zealand. It's easier to get a New Zealand student visa compared to other countries, and New Zealand's universities consistently rank high in global education rankings, offering high quality programs across various disciplines. Many universities provide opportunities for students to engage in research projects, gaining valuable hands-on experience. Compared to some other countries, tuition fees in New Zealand are generally affordable. Students can work up to 20 hours per week during their studies, helping to offset costs and gain work experience. After completing their studies, international students can apply for a post-study work visa, allowing them to stay in New Zealand and work for up to 3 years, and they can apply for permanent residence after that too. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything about the New Zealand student visa process, the best universities in New Zealand for international students along with their locations and study programs offered, visa cost and processing time, the benefits you'll have as a student in New Zealand, the requirements of a student visa, and the step-by-step application process, so do watch the video till the end. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and immigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all the process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now because all the information provided here is completely free, and I answer all your queries in the comment section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. You can even get in touch with us directly via WhatsApp on the number shared on the screen. Without wasting any time, let's start right away with the best universities in New Zealand for international students. First comes the University of Auckland. Renowned for its research and teaching excellence, the University of Auckland is New Zealand's largest university and consistently ranks high among the top universities in the world. It offers a wide range of programs across various disciplines. Next comes University of Otago. Located in the historic city of Dunedin, this university is one of the oldest universities in the Southern Hemisphere. It's known for its strong academic reputation, particularly in the fields of medicine, dentistry, and sciences. Next comes Victoria University of Wellington. Situated in the capital city, Victoria University of Wellington is a leading research-intensive university with a focus on humanities, social sciences, and law. It's renowned for its innovative teaching methods and strong connections to industry. Next comes the University of Canterbury. Located in Christchurch, the University of Canterbury is a comprehensive university offering a wide range of programs. It's known for its research excellence in fields such as engineering, science, and arts. Next is Massey University. With campuses in Auckland, Palmerston North, and Wellington, Massey University is a diverse university offering a range of study programs. It's known for its strong focus on practical learning and industry partnerships. Lincoln University comes next. Located in the heart of New Zealand's agricultural region, Lincoln University is a specialist university focused on agriculture, food, and environmental sciences. It offers unique programs and opportunities for students interested in these fields. Next comes the University of Waikato. Situated in the city of Hamilton, the University of Waikato is a comprehensive university with a strong focus on research and teaching. It's known for its innovative approach to education and its emphasis on student engagement. Kindly note that these are just a few of the many excellent universities in New Zealand. When choosing a university, it's important to consider your academic interests, career goals, and personal preferences as well. New Zealand offers a unique and rewarding experience for international students. Here are some of the key benefits. First comes educational excellence. New Zealand is home to world-renowned universities and colleges offering a high standard of education. Students can choose from a wide range of academic disciplines and specialization areas. Many programs emphasize hands-on experience and practical skills, preparing students for the workforce. Coming to quality of life, New Zealand is known for its low crime rates and friendly locals, making it a safe place to study. The country's breathtaking landscapes, including mountains, beaches, and forests, offer ample opportunities for outdoor activities and exploration. New Zealand boasts a high quality of life with excellent healthcare, infrastructure, and social services. Now we come to work opportunities. International students are allowed to work part-time during their studies, helping to offset expenses and gain valuable work experience. After completing their studies, students can also be eligible for a post-study work visa, allowing them to work in New Zealand for a specific period, which is generally 3 years. Successful work experience in New Zealand can increase the chances of obtaining permanent residency for you and your family members as well. New Zealand also has affordable cost of living. Compared to some other countries, tuition fees in New Zealand are generally affordable, and the cost of living in New Zealand is relatively lower than many other developed countries. Now coming to the visa cost and processing time. The cost and processing time for a New Zealand student visa can vary depending on several factors, such as the type of visa you're applying for, your nationality, and the specific requirements of your application. However, here's a general breakdown. The base visa fee for a student visa is $375 New Zealand dollars, and you may also need to pay certain additional other fees, such as receiving center fees or visa application fees. These figures are typically not that high. As for processing time, the average processing time is around 30 business days. However, the actual processing time can vary from as little as 5 weeks to as long as 66 weeks, depending on various factors such as the type of education provider. The processing time can vary depending on whether you're studying at a university, school, or other institution. Also, the nature of your application. Complex applications or those that require additional documentation may take longer to process. Not to forget the time of the year that you're applying. Applications submitted during peak periods may experience longer processing times. To apply for a New Zealand student visa, you'll need to meet several requirements. Here's a breakdown of them. Starting with the essential requirements, you must have an unconditional offer of enrollment from an approved New Zealand education provider. You'll also need evidence that you've paid or arranged to pay your tuition fees. You'll also need proof of sufficient funds to cover your living expenses in New Zealand. The required amount varies depending on your study level and duration. You'll also need valid medical and travel insurance and evidence of a returning ticket to your home country or sufficient funds to purchase one. Among additional requirements, you may need to provide evidence of your English proficiency, such as your IELTS or TOEFL tests. You'll need a police certificate or PCC from your home country to verify your character, a medical examination, especially for long-term stays, and if you're bringing family members, you'll need to apply for dependent visas for them. Kindly note that specific requirements may vary depending on your nationality, study level, and some other factors. Now that you know the requirements, we come to the step-by-step application process. The first step is to choose a course and institution that you're interested in. Research universities and institutions in New Zealand that offer your desired program and ensure that the institution is approved by Immigration New Zealand or INZ. You'll have to submit your application to the chosen institution, and once you accept it, you'll receive an offer letter. You'll have to then gather your documents that I've mentioned before, the most important ones being your passport, offer letter, financial evidence, English language proficiency, medical certificates, police clearance certificate, and travel insurance. Next, you'll have to submit your visa application by creating an account on the INZ website immigration.government.nz. You can complete the online application form, upload your required documents, and pay your application fee for your visa. Next comes a waiting period for your visa decision. The processing time varies depending on individual circumstances, as I explained before, and you'll be notified of the visa decision via email. Next, you'll have to prepare for your trip. If your visa is approved, you can book your flights and accommodation and arrange all the necessary travel insurance as well. Alright guys, so that was all about New Zealand student visa process. For more migration and travel tips, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for new updates. Thanks for watching and all the best for your application.